Gamer Girl by Medusa The Dollmaker in 60 by 86 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with magenta crystals that we have sprinkled on her hair. So these are the sparkling beads you see. Simply place them on her hair and sprinkle them in the areas that you would want extra sparkle. So what I did mostly is I put more of them towards her body, and then as the hair goes out, there's going to be a gradient lessening of the magenta. Gamer Girl by Medusa The Dollmaker in 60 by 86 cm rounds. Special treatment now adds moonlight crystals that we have sprinkled on the light brown areas of the picture, and in this case it would be these flowers that surround her, as well as the banner Gamer, and we've also filled in the stars behind her above her head. In 60 by 86 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds rainbow crystals that we have sprinkled on her purple dress, focusing on the darker purple shade of the dress. So place majority of them in these areas, the darker purple area right over here, and then just sprinkle a little bit leading up to the lighter areas of her purple dress, and this will give you this nice effect. Once again, version 3 of Gamer Girl by Medusa The Dollmaker. We have magenta crystals for her hair, as well as moonlight crystals that we have placed on the light brown flowers, as well as the stars behind her and sprinkled on the Gamer banner. And finally, we have rainbow crystals sprinkled on her purple dress.
You have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the